Just when everyone was still hyped about Nano Banana Pro from Google, ByteDance quietly dropped something that is now shaking the entire AI image space. Seedream 4.5 is here, and this model understands lighting, depth, and real-world physics at a level that produces stunning 4K quality images that honestly look camera captured. If you visit the official Seedream website, you will quickly notice that access to this latest model requires a paid subscription. But do not worry, because I found a hidden workaround that lets you use Seedream 4.5 completely free to seriously level up your content creation. This is the platform that gives you free and unlimited access to Seedream 4.5 without any credit card or complicated setup. The website is called LLM Arena. You can search for it directly in your browser or simply click the link in the video description. Once you sign in using your Google account, turn on image generation, then choose direct chat from the available options. What makes this even crazier is that LLM Arena also includes other powerful models like Nano Banana Pro, and they are free as well. But the real reason we are here is Seedream 4.5. Click on the model selector, scroll down, and there it is. Seedream 4.5 is available and ready to use. Let us test if it is truly free. I will paste in a prompt and hit generate. The result comes back in just seconds. We have a close-up selfie of a couple standing in front of their car, and the realism is insane. The lighting feels natural, the skin tones look real, and the image quality is on another level. Let me try another prompt. This one recreates a cinematic, artistic scene inspired by nature. The mood, the environment, and the fine details like moisture on the leaves make the image feel like it was shot with a professional camera in a real jungle setting. Here is another example I generated. This scene shows a general leading his army into battle with his sword raised, ready to attack. The motion, the expressions, and the atmosphere make this image feel powerful and alive. If you are creating AI content, this kind of quality gives you a massive advantage. The best part is that these images are not just for thumbnails or posts. You can turn them into cinematic videos, reels, or even full AI short films.
This land is ours. We stood our ground, we fought as one, and today we claim victory.
This single tool can easily replace multiple paid image generators you might be using right now. If you have been struggling to get realistic results from AI image tools and constantly feel disappointed by low-quality outputs, Seedream 4.5 changes everything. Take advantage of this while LLM Arena is still allowing free access to this model. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I am back with more free AI hacks that you definitely do not want to miss.